Well, and after a few minor technical difficulties and having the full throttle and jamming it off the ceiling, we're going to go for a second test just to make sure everything's working after the rebuild. So here it goes. Not going to make the same mistake twice by doing that. Just a little too late at night to be screwing around with this thing really, but I'm just happy we got it back up and running, and probably fly it tomorrow after I make a few small adjustments on the elevator. That's all.